LastMinuteHealth, led by Samantha, Grimald, and Mateo, are presenting a tailored experience to achieve your optimal mental state, guided by the soundtrack of your thoughts. Have you ever spent all day working on a project only to find you barely accomplished anything? This is likely since we are flooded with distractions at every turn. The zone or flow state of unbroken focus and optimal mental performance exists in elite athletes, the world champions in chess, world-class musicians, and every one of us. This will show the different waves in the flow state. Moving on to the goals of our presentation. This century we have discovered new ways to understand our brain. Today we are exploring how technology can learn about us, understand our thoughts, and help us reach our goals. This project looks to merge your personal music library with your live brainwave data to play a playlist that will help guide your thoughts to your flow state. Using an EEG device and any smart device, this application will read and decode your brain activity in real time to change the music that brings you to a consistent alpha and theta wave range. We're also analyzing the brainwave data using Muse2, playing a custom music playlist to increase or decrease your brain frequency, outputting visual plots of your brain frequency during each song, and tracking how much time you spent in the flow state. Some of the software and hardware you use are Python and GitHub, as well as Muse2. The idea is intended for the entire brain-computer interface market. Devices with more electrodes would play more songs tailored to the user, but the algorithm is programmed to detect the waves of a particular flow state. Reliable Bluetooth connectivity is necessary for streaming music and EEG data. Strong Bluetooth connection and a long-lasting battery should be the priority for any BIC design. For reliable data, a secure headband or headgear must support a minimum of 5 dry electrodes for full load coverage while the user is moving or not. The beginning stages of the software, we focused on thinking of ways to build a feedback system that displays a user's brain data, analyzes and pulls desired insights of their brain activity. Audio cues and visual stimuli are simple feedback mechanisms to implement to a program, since we want to measure the brain data during physical activities as well. Audio will be our feedback mechanism. The goal is for the software to be reliable and easily compatible for any wired or wireless data connection. This is a flowchart showing what our code does, and we have attached another presentation for the demo to this PowerPoint. So initially we'll start the timer, and we will see the live data being collected, and based on the live data, you'll be recommended songs on your flow state through the collection of alpha, beta, or gamma waves, as well as delta waves. Application. So this can be used in people who have neurodegenerative diseases to just recommend them, like when they have the most creativity, to calm people down, and to basically help anyone who has any kind of problem with their physical body to even play songs and music and other things. We also have a link to our project code that's on GitHub, and this is our team made up of 3 different members. Thank you for your time.